What's up guys, Eek with East Coast Ken, and we have a tool haul here today, so let's get into this video. Alright guys, so you guessed it, we got some sockets. These are the 1/2" drive by Tekton. We'll get into those in just a second. So first and foremost, we're going to get into this right here. This is a Bosch timing light that I need to do the distributor on my Suburban. Part number is FIX 7529, and yeah, this was well needed. So the first Tekton thing that we're going to open is this little package right here, guys. This is sockets, and they package this really well. They are spark plug sockets. So we've got a 5/8, 3/4, and a 13/16. So I've already unboxed these right here, and what these are my deep and shallow sockets. These range from 3/8 up to 1 5/16. Again, both shallow and deep. And then over here we have our metric, which ranges from 10mm up to 32mm. No skips on any of them. And this one right here are the rest of the shallows, and then the plate to put them on. So we're going to open this up. Put that on and lock it into place, and then do the same. There we go, guys. Pretty good. And the thing I like the most about Tekton is they don't pop off. You have to twist lock. So it's a twist lock system. So that's it for this tool haul, guys. I got my Tekton 1/2" drive sockets in finally in 6-point, and then I've got a timing light. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and drop me some comments down below. Definitely let me know what you guys think my next tool purchase should be. Thanks a lot.